Good morning, everybody. My name is Rene Illescas with Team Rene, and this is Market Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend and ready to talk real estate. So if you haven't seen our previous videos, no worries. You can go to our website, take a look, or you can go on our YouTube channel and also find out what's happening in terms of stats in Oakville, Burlington, and Hamilton. So a couple questions that are being asked recently are, has the market shifted in real estate? Well, the truth is, based on everything that we're seeing in some pockets, absolutely. And I wanted to go into a few stats here. So if you live in Oakville, homes are selling roughly at about 100% of the asking price. But the cool thing here is that we're noticing some homes are selling at 91%. So that means they're actually going below. If you live in Burlington, on average, it's around 103%. But again, over here, when I look at the stats, some homes are selling around 84% of list price, which is excellent news for buyers. In Hamilton, on average, roughly, homes are still selling around 104, 105%. But if I look at my stats again, the neat thing here is that there are homes that are selling around 89% of asking price. So this is great news for buyers. So is the market shifting? We think it is. And we're seeing some proof. Now, another question that we're getting asked is, are buyers having more success? The truth is, yes, they are. And 4 reasons why we're seeing this success. Number 1, more realistic prices are happening in the market, which is great for buyers. Number 2, inventory is up and it keeps going up on a weekly and monthly basis, which is excellent for buyers. Days on market is the 3rd reason. It is going up, and this is also now showing that sellers have to adjust their strategy. Pricing strategies, this is the number 4 reason why we are seeing buyers have more success. We're seeing that if some sellers and selling agents were holding offers, they actually are getting 0 offers on presentation date, which is excellent for buyers. So another example in terms of the pricing strategies, if you're not holding, or if sellers were not holding offers, now we're seeing them actually drop price, which is amazing for buyers. This is why we feel that the market is shifting. 3rd question that we're getting asked is it a good time to sell? Well, absolutely, it is. The market is still very strong for sellers, but it's all about pocket neighborhoods. So we feel that if you do 2 things as a seller, you should be able to sell your home very quickly and at a strong price. So number 1 is price fair. So buyers are at the point that they understand what is fair and what is not. Number 2, inventory. If the inventory in your neighborhood is extremely high, run away, don't do anything unless you absolutely have to sell, because the minute inventory increases quite a bit in your immediate neighborhood, that gives buyers tremendous power. Hopefully this video helped. We're always here to talk stats. Please leave us any questions in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Have a great week and we'll see you again